Hello viewers, today we are proceeding with unboxing of Soundcore Spirit Pro. It is a sub-brand by Anker and it has got up to 10 hours of battery timing, but the catch is this 10 hours is on 60% volume. If you increase the volume to 100%, the battery timing will definitely be reduced. It has got Submarine inspired water structure and nano coating. It has got IPX6 rating and it has got aptX by Qualcomm. It is a patent by Qualcomm and it has got dual eco mode. And on the top, it has got the verification by the seal from the Anker, and even the box itself is interesting. You can see here, if we open from here, it gives us the view of the contents without even opening the box itself. Let's open it. This is the user manual. This is probably safety instructions in multi-language. This is warranty card. This is a pouch with Soundcore branding. Nice touch. These are the clips probably, and the wire clips. They are supposed to be opening through the stick, but no. Yes, this is wire clip and this is the holder. And here we have got the ear tips, multi-size. Here is the charging cable. It has got USB and it has got micro USB on the other side, which is the drawback for this time. It should not be a micro USB. And these are the wings. Let me open that one. These wings are detachable. We have got two sets of wings. Okay. And here we have lastly the Soundcore Spirit Pro. Okay, the third one has been attached to the device by default. So we have got 3 wings and probably 3 ear tips. 1 installed and 2 in the packing. Okay. And they have mentioned that it has got dual eco mode, and this USB charging port is open. If it is clear, let me try. I think it is now clear. They are saying that it is open and there is no need for the cover for it, as due to their nanotechnology, nano coating, it is already safe for water. And they have got IPX6, and you can see it can rain and splash. And what else we have got here? Okay, that's all for the Spirit Pro. I will be using it and I will try to share the feedback, how I find it, how is the battery timing, the actual battery timing in the real time usage. The 10 hour is with the 60% as I mentioned threshold. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.